How to subscribe to MGM Plus subscription on Android. If you want to subscribe to the MGM app on Android, which is to subscribe to their premium plan, first of all, just launch the MGM app, and this is the interface that you will see. Now from here, what you want to do is after you are logged into your account, right? So I'm assuming you've already done that process. If you haven't, I also have a tutorial on how you can create an account and also log in. Once you've done that, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon located at the top right hand side. Then right there, you'll find the option called manage subscriptions. So of course you can tap on manage subscriptions option there. Here you can see it says choose a plan. So of course you can simply choose a plan that you wish. There is a monthly plan, yearly, and you can also connect to your provider. Simply select the plan that it values your needs. Then you can tap on continue and simply go ahead and enter your payment information like your credit or debit card, your PayPal, or you can also redeem a code, just depending upon whichever is more comfortable for you. Once you fill in your payment method, your subscription will be successfully active, as long as you have enough balance and that the payment method is working fine. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.